Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic yayoins.com reviews. In this video you will get to know whether it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Friends, before starting our today's video, let me inform you that this topic is very much trending in United States. Now let's begin. So friends, firstly let's discuss what this website is offering to the customers. From the images one can easily understand that it is an online shopping store which deals with fashionable clothes. By clicking into their menu section, we can see that they sell casual sets, sweatshirts, tops, t-shirts, coats and jackets, bottoms, shorts and accessories. Now let's click into their best seller option to get a clear idea regarding their products. So friends, all the products are available at huge discounts which are too good to be true. Now if you want to know about their payment policy, let's scroll down below. So they accept PayPal. Besides this, we have checked their payment methods, but the payment method gets error option, and after reloading you will get the other options like MasterCard, Maestro, Visa, American Express, all are available. Now if you want to know about their shipping policy, friends, let's click into their help center and click into shipping and delivery. So friends, they usually ship your product within 3 to 10 business days. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. But before proceeding further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make many more informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam. So friends, firstly this site is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is safe and secure. Besides this, the website has been registered on 27th of October 2020, which means it is just few months old and hence not reliable. Now if you want to know about the About Us policy of the website, let's click on their About Us page. So friends, they have given a very short About Us page without any company details like the owner name, their company address, their way of doing business, their journey of establishment, their mission, vision, nothing is given. So the About Us page is not up to the mark, and there is some part of it is copy pasted. Hence it is a negative point for the website. Now if you want to know about the contact address, let's click into the contact us section. So friends, they do not mention their physical building address, which is a negative point, but they have given their mail ID, which is service@yayoins.com, which is similar to the domain name and hence adds credibility to the website. Now if you want to know about the social media presence, friends, this site is present only in Facebook, and we checked in Facebook. There are few posts but no comments made by any customer. Hence it is not up to the mark. Now let's talk about their return and refund policy. For that we need to click into the return and exchange section. So friends, they have 30 days return and refund policy, but if you face any kind of money related issue, you can mention it in the comment box. Now talking about the customer reviews, friends, since it is a new website, we do not find any review made by any customer in Google, but we found some article based reviews regarding the website, which is also negative, and hence it is again a negative point for the website. Now if you want to know about the website content quality, friends, it is not at all good, because most of the part of the content is plagiarized. The About Us page is also plagiarized, and the information given is not up to the mark, because there is no company owner name, there is no physical building address, no contact number, nothing. So on the basis of the above discussion, we can say that this site seems to be suspicious and we will not recommend this site to anyone until we get a clear idea regarding it. Besides this, we request you all to do your own amount of research effectively before investing your money in such website. But if you face any kind of money related issue, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you guys.